How to upload high quality videos on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up TikTok on a device. Before starting the video, make sure to update TikTok to the latest version. Now on the TikTok homepage, tap on the plus icon at the bottom menu. Now simply tap on the gallery icon. Now select the video you want to upload. Now simply tap on next at the bottom right corner. Again click on next. Now simply tap on more options. Now scroll down. Now simply toggle on high quality uploads. Now tap on the cross icon. Now tap on post. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.